Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Kingfish Rava Fry. In every restaurant you will find this with thalis. It goes very well with rice and Goan coconut based curry. So try this at home and enjoy kingfish. So I've taken 2 pieces of kingfish slice, apply salt, and for the masala I've taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste with half a squeeze lemon. Now mix all the ingredients together to make a paste. As you see, the masala is ready. Now apply it to the fish evenly. So now we have fish also marinated. What we have to do is take a pan, add oil and leave it on a medium flame. So let the oil get hot. Once the oil is hot, dust it with semolina and you have to fry it till it becomes golden brown in color on one side. Same thing you have to do with the other one. This fish is very tasty when you get it fresh. So try this recipe at home and enjoy kingfish. So once you have the color, flip it over. Check how lovely it looks. This is how you can try kingfish at home. Guys, watch my video carefully. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. And God bless you all. Thank you very much.